Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. From our satellite loop we can see that it was another clear day across northern and eastern South Africa. Very warm weather continues to affect most areas, especially in the afternoons. A rapidly weakening cold front moved over parts of the Western Cape and that brought quite a lot of cloud near the western coastline and along with that some rainfall for the peninsula, the Winelands and even further up the west coast. Now taking a look at Wednesday, we're expecting it to be another clear day in the north, the very warm weather continuing across those areas, while an onshore flow is expected along the west coast, keeping things quite cloudy, and there may even be a little bit of light rain for some areas. We're also expecting cloud cover to increase along the KZN coastline, and a bit of rain is also possible for Durban and Richards Bay. This is reflected on the detailed forecast. There we see light rain along the coastline as well as for Pietermaritzburg. Northern and western KwaZulu-Natal, on the other hand, will remain dry and quite warm. Temperatures will reach the lower 20s for the Eastern Cape in the afternoon, although a very cold start to the day for Aliwal North as well as Graafrenet, who both drop down to 0 degrees overnight. Into the Western Cape, and it will be clear to partly cloudy, still some high-level cloud moving overhead, 6 degrees to start off your day in Oudtshoorn as well as Beaufort West. Along the Atlantic seaboard, on the other hand, quite cloudy at times, and along with that there will be a possibility for very light rainfall. Further up the coast, no rain expected. Alexander Bay remaining cool at 19, 21 as a maximum into Springbok. It's going to be a gusty afternoon for parts of the Northern Cape interior, especially in the south. Colesberg reaching a maximum of 22 degrees. Lots of sunshine into the Free State, 23 for Bloemfontein, and temperatures approaching 0 for some parts of the province overnight. We're expecting another warm afternoon into the northwest, 28 as a high for Zeerust, and it's going to be a hot day for the low-veld areas of Limpopo, as well as for Lephalale in the western Bushveld, which reaches a maximum of 30. Very hot for Skukuza and Mpumalanga at 33 degrees, far milder on the Highveld, lots of sunshine expected, Ermelo reaching 22. And taking a look at Gauteng, another sunny and dry day expected for the province, 24 degrees for Johannesburg, and a little bit cooler for Soweto when you start off in the morning with a minimum of 7. Here we can see the winds picking up over the western interior on Wednesday afternoon, De Aard averaging at 30 kilometers per hour. A look ahead to Thursday, and we're expecting a mainly dry day across the country, temperatures rising for the eastern coastline. And on Friday, an approaching cold front will bring in some evening rainfall for Cape Town and the surrounding areas. That's all from the Weather Centre. Goodbye for now.